Welcome to my channel Radhika's lesson. Let's continue with the chapter polynomials. Let's understand and learn value of a polynomial. In a polynomial, if variable is replaced by a number, then we get the value of that polynomial. Let's understand this. For example, if we replace x by 2 in the polynomial x plus 7, we get, now we are replacing this x by 2. So we get 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, which is the value of that polynomial. If px is a polynomial in x, then the value of the polynomial for x is equal to 8 is written as p into whichever value is given, we'll replace that value by the number which they give, that is, or if they give alphabet, we have to write alphabet. If they give numerical value, we have to write numerical value. So px we will change it by pa. Now remember, to find the value of a polynomial for a given value of the variable in each term of the polynomial, every term whichever has x, we will replace it by the given value. Now let's see the example to understand more in detail. Find the value of the polynomial px is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5 for x is equal to 2. So we will replace all the x's with 2. Polynomial px is equal to 2x minus 3x plus 5. Put x is equal to 2 in the given polynomial. So we will replace this by 2. Px is equal to 2x square. So we will write 2 into 2 square, because we have to take x is equal to 2, so 2 square, we will replace x by 2 square, minus 3x will replace by 2, so 3 into 2 and plus 5. So 2 and 2 square gives us 4, so 2 into 4, then minus 3 2s is 6 plus 5, 4 2s is 8 minus 6 plus 5, 8 minus 6 is 2 plus 5, that is 7. This was an example. Then let's begin with practice set. .4, page 48 of your textbook. Question number 1. For x is equal to 0, find the value of the polynomial. Now we will replace all the x's with zeros. So px, this is the equation given, x square minus 5x plus 5. Then x will replace by 0. So all the terms in the expression will change it to x. 0 square minus 5 into 0 and plus 5. So here 0 square is 0. 5 into 0 is always 0. Minus 5, 0 and plus 5. So therefore p0 is equal to 5. Therefore, the value of the polynomial when x is equal to 0 is 5. Question 2. If py is equal to y square minus 3 root 2y plus 1, then find p 3 root 2. So we will replace all the y's with 3 root 2. So py is equal to y square minus 3 root 2 y plus 1. So this y will change it to 3 root 2. P 3 root 2 is equal to 3 root 2 square minus 3 root 2 into this y will replace it by 3 root 2 and 1 as it is. Now let's solve this. 3 square is 9. Root 2 into root 2 square will give us 2, and minus 3 root 2 into 3 root 2, 3 3s is 9, and root 2 into root 2 is again 2 and plus 1. So 9 2s is 18 minus 9 2s is 18 plus 1. 18 minus 18 is 0 and plus 1, which is equal to 1. So answer p 3 root 2 is equal to 1. So value of the polynomial is 1. Let's come to the next sub question. Question number 3. If pm is equal to m cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10, then pa plus P minus A is equal to how much? So let's understand this. Pm is equal to the expression which they have given in the question, then Pa. Now we are taking this as Pa. So Pa will replace all m's by A. So m cube, A cube, 2A square, and minus m will replace by A and plus 10. So we are calculating value only for Pa. So this is the expression for P. Now next expression is P minus A. So P minus A, again will change the expression, this expression to negative form. Will replace m by negative A. So negative A cube plus 2 into negative A square minus negative A and plus 10. Now let's solve this. That is negative A cube, as it is odd number, negative will remain negative. If it is even number, then it will change to positive. So this is negative A cube, and this will be 2 as it is, and this will be positive A. As I told you, if it is even number, it will negative will change to positive. Then negative into negative, positive A and plus 10. Now we'll bring these two expressions together because we need to add them. So Pa and P minus A we have to add, we have to find the value of these two. So here we'll put the values together. A cube plus 2A square minus A and plus 10, and we are asked to add. So add means putting them together. So minus A cube plus 2A square plus A and plus 10. Now we'll check whether there are any like terms. If they are opposite with signs with opposite, then they get cancelled. If they are same sign, then we can add them up. So A cube and negative A cube gets cancelled, and positive A and negative A gets cancelled. Now remaining terms are 2A square plus 10 plus 2A square, and they are with the same sign, so we'll copy them as it is, and plus 10. Now 2A square and 2A square are like terms, so this will become 2 plus 2 is 4A square, and 10 plus 10 gives us 20. So Pa plus P minus A is equal to 4A square plus 20 will be the answer. Question number 4. If Py is equal to 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7, then find P2. Now Py, we'll copy the question as it is, then P2 replace y by 2. So in the expression also replace y by 2. So 2 into 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square, y square, so 2 square, minus 5 into 2 plus 7. Let's solve this. 2 cube is 8, so 2 into 8 minus 6, 2 square is 4, minus 5 into 2 is 10 and 7. Now 2 8s are 16, minus 6 4s is 24, and minus 10 as it is, and plus 7. Negative 16. Now here these are like term, negative, negative. Let's solve all these. That is 16 minus 24, that is negative. We can bring the positive terms together, 16 plus 7 and negative, or we can solve it as it is. So negative 24 and negative 10. So 16 plus 7 is 23, negative 24, negative 10 is negative 34. So 23 minus 34, negative are more units, so negative answer. Find the difference. So we'll get answer. So P2 is equal to negative 11 is the answer. That's all for this exercise. Wait for my next video, the next subtopic of the same chapter, polynomial.